Geranols we have to study. It's a type of terpene. So it has a molecular formula C10H18O. It's a acyclic terpene alcohol. That means it's not a cyclic compound. If you see, this is the structure, and in case of terpene we have two isoprene units connected. So if you could see the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, this is the one terpene, another one 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the second terpene unit, and it is oxidized terpene, so we can say it's a terpenoid. Geranoil occurs in the oils of rose, palm rose, geranium, citronella, lemongrass and lavender. Okay, if we see the preparation, it is mainly prepared from palm rose oil. This is obtained from a wild grass whose scientific name is Cymbopogon martini, and it is obtained by steam distillation. So the steam distillation process we have already discussed when we were discussing our terpenoids and steroid. So process of isolation, there we have discussed steam distillation. By steam distillation, this oil is extracted and then treated with anhydrous calcium chloride. When it is treated with calcium chloride, geranoil reacts with calcium chloride to form a crystalline addition products. This calcium chloride get added to the geranoil and it forms crystal. So it can be easily separated out. Now after separation, the crystal is decomposed by using water, and as soon as you add water, calcium chloride being an ionic compound, it ionizes and get dissolved into the water, and you get geranoil. Geranoils get separated. So this is the one method of preparation. Other is from citral A. Now citral A have a structure something like this. This is the structure of citral A. And this is our structure of geranoil. So what is basically happening? Citral A is reduced with the help of aluminium amalgam and geranoil is obtained. This is the second method of preparation. If we discuss the properties of geranoil, it's a colorless liquid with a boiling point of 230 degrees Celsius, and it has a rose-like odor. Colorless liquid, boiling point 230 degree, rose-like odor. It is insoluble in water but dissolves in ethanol. So since it is insoluble in water, that's why it was so easy to separate out from the crystal of geranoil and calcium chloride using water, because calcium chloride being a ionic salt dissolves in the water and geranoil remains separated. So that's why this insolubility in water, this property is used for the preparation. Now geranoil exhibit geometrical isomerism and it is cis form. That means the geranoil have two possibilities. It could exist in the form of cis and trans. If you see this structure, this is the cis form, ये cis form हो गया, and this is the trans form. But the trans form is called nerol and this is form is called geranoil. So this nerol is another terpene. It is obtained from some different source. It is also colorless, but the boiling point is different, 225 degree, and it also have rose like odor. If you discuss the chemical properties, so it has two carbon double bonds. So that we have already seen. Here you see the structure of geranoil. You have two carbon double bond and one hydroxy group. So it has two carbon double bonds and primary alcohol group. This gives the reaction of diene and also that of the primary alcohol. All right. If we discuss the reactions, oxidation. If geranoil undergo oxidation, obviously this is an alcohol, primary alcohol. It will get converted into aldehyde that is further converted into geranic acid. So on oxidation we are getting citral A. This citral A, when we were looking at the preparation of geranoil, that time we said the reduction of citral A provide us geranoil. So this is the reverse reaction. Oxidation give us citral A and further oxidation give us geranoic acid. All right. Second reaction is cyclization. So cyclization occurs. You have a double bond here. So this carbon and this CH2 combines and then the double bond formation occurs. Cyclization occurs. So when it is treated with sulfuric acid, it forms alpha terpenol. Geranoil and nerol are extensively used in perfumery to stimulate the odor of roses. So basically जो हमारा uses है geranoil के and as well as that of nerol is to synthesize the perfumes. जहाँ पे भी रोज़ की स्मेल देनी होती है, they use geranoil and nerol. Now structure of geranoil, how it is determined. So when we look at the molecular formula, this was the molecular formula, C10H18O. Now in the beginning they didn't know the structure of geranoil. So how they reached to this conclusion that geranoil has this specific structure. So they found out that it has two double bonds, it has a primary hydroxy group, so that everything was determined experimentally. So first of all, presence of two carbon bonds. So it adds two molecule of bromine. अगर आप जर्नोइल की ब्रोमीन मॉलिक्यूल के साथ रिएक्शन करते हो तो दो ब्रोमीन मॉलिक्यूल का एडिशन हो जाता है. सिमिलरली इफ़ यू रिएक्ट इट विथ टू मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ कैटलिस्ट, अगेन वो दोनों हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल कंज्यूम हो जाते हैं. सो इफ़ यू लुक एट द रिएक्शन, तो हमारा रिएक्शन है दिस. योर जर्नोइल is reacting with bromine to give us tetrabromide as a product, and similarly a saturated alcohol is obtained on hydrogenation in presence of nickel. So it states that it has two double bonds present in its structure. Now presence of a primary alcohol functional group. So when we performed the oxidation reaction, citral A was obtained and then the geranoic acid was obtained, and all the three compounds had the same number of carbon atoms. So and since the structure of citral A was known, citral A structure was known long before the Gernoil structure, so it was very easy to predict the structure of Gernoil. So based on these reaction, they said, okay, Gernoil has a primary alcohol, and the arrangement of carbon atom and the position of double bond is same as that of citral A. So since the citral A structure was known, so Gernoil structure was easy to predict. Now fourth, what they used is structure derived from that of the citral. They knew the structural formula of citral A. Based on that, they provided the structure to Gernoil. So the only difference is this CH2OH is getting oxidized to your CHO group when you perform the oxidation reaction. Based on that, they provided this structure, and Gernoil is our cis form, not the trans. That was also assigned based on the fact that citral A is a cis form. And this was later confirmed by the NMR studies. Next compound that we have to study is pinene. It is also a terpene, but it is a bicyclic monoterpene. So that means it has two cyclic rings. The molecular formula is C10H16. Alpha pinene is the chief component. So when we study pinene, it is basically alpha pinene that we are studying, and it is the main component of the terpene oil obtained from the pine tree. Now if you look at the structure, it has a double bond, a methyl substituent, and two methyl substituent in the ring. Okay, if you look at the preparation, it is isolated from the टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल. जो हमें टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल मिलता है पाम ट्री से, फ्रॉम दैट इट इज़ प्योरिफाइड, आइसोलेटेड by using fractional distillation, and purified by conversion into nitrosyl chloride, which upon treatment with aniline liberates alpha pinene. Okay, if we look at the properties, alpha pinene is a colorless liquid. It's a colorless liquid with a boiling point of 156 degrees Celsius, and it has a characteristic odor. Also, it is optically active. So, being an optically active, it shows the rotation of light rotation by 48.8 degree. Now, if we look at the chemical properties, it reacts with dry HCl at 0 degrees Celsius to form bornyl chloride. इसका boiling point होता है 131 degree with a faint camphor odor. Camphor की smell होती है. So if you look at the this is our compound. When we treat it with HCl at a 0 degree Celsius, this is dry HCl. Dry HCl means no moisture content is there. So HCl this compound undergoes addition reaction. HCl gets added on this double bond, and bornyl chloride is obtained as a product. Now second is reaction with sulfuric acid. If we react the compound with sulfuric acid, that to dilute the 4 carbon system, 4 जो हमारा कार्बन सिस्टम था, ये रिंग था, ये क्लीव हो जाता है. The 4 carbon ring in terpene cleaves to form alpha terpineol. So alpha terpineol is obtained as a product on reacting it with dilute sulfuric acid. So हमारा पिनाइन अल्फा पिनाइन हमको देता है अल्फा टर्पिनियोल. Okay, if we talk about the uses, so turpentine oil, which is mainly alpha pinene, is used as a thinner. जब आप पेंट करते हैं तो उसमें एक थिनर मिलाते हैं. दैट थिनर इज टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल एंड द मेन कंपोनेंट ऑफ टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल इज अल्फा पिनाइन. Other than this, it is also used commercially for the synthesis of camphor. Here we have seen camphor odor is obtained, artificial camphor odor from the boronil chloride. So it is used as a thinner and as well as the starting material for the synthesis of camphor. Now camphor. The molecular formula is C10H16O. It's a bicyclic terpene ketone. So it has two cyclic rings. Similarly, it has 2-methyl substituent in the in here and a ketonic group. So when you have to prepare the camphor, it is prepared by chilling camphor oil obtained by steam distillation. जो camphor oil obtained होता है on doing the steam distillation of woods and leaves of camphor tree, उसको जब ठंडा कर देते हैं, that time camphor is obtained. But now mostly it is produced from alpha pinene. Synthetic method से preparation होती है. On changing the structure of alpha pinene, camphor is obtained. If we discuss the properties, camphor is a colorless crystalline solid. Melting point 179 degrees Celsius, boiling point 209.1 degrees Celsius. It sublimizes at room temperature. And vapors have a very strong characteristic smell. The natural camphor has a optical rotation. These are dextrorotatory and shows a rotation of 44 degree. Chemically, if you look at it, it behaves as a ketone. इसमें ketonic group present है, so it gives the reactions of ketone. It forms an oxime and on reduction forms a secondary alcohol, borneol. Uses: camphor is used as a medicinal incense, plasticizer, moth repellent and embalming fluid. आपने you must have used some of the balms, Vicks यूज़ किया होगा, तो उन सब में कैम्फर की स्मेल आती है. दैट्स ओनली बिकॉज द कैम्फर इज़ प्रेजेंट इन इट एज अ सब्सटीट्यूएंट. एक इंग्रेडिएंट की तरह प्रेजेंट होता है. सब मोथ रिपेलेंट्स है, प्लास्टिसाइजर है, और इंसेंस में तो होता ही है. यूज कैम्फर इन आवर रिचुअल्स.